Ethan. Hi.
Mama.
I see you. You have a bowl on your head.
I see you. I see you, Jaden.
You're silly.
Ethan.
Ethan. Hello.
Hello, Ethan. Hello.
Uh-oh. Ethan, how old are you?
I'm 3.
You're not 3.
I am 3.
How old are you?
I'm 2.
Oh, okay.
I am 2.
Can you count?
Yeah.
1.
1. I'm 3.
1,
I'm
2.
I'm 3, Mama.
You're 2.
I'm 2.
You just turned 2. 3, 4.
4. Why?
Good job. And then what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Ethan. I see you next time. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ethan, you have noodles in your hair now. You're silly.
Bye, Ethan.
Are you silly?
Ethan, bye. Yeah.
Look at Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Uh-oh. Oh, Ethan. Okay, bye. Thank you. Goodbye.